Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make these cute bunny minis. You'll need a small amount of super bulky yarn and a 6mm J crochet hook. We'll begin with a magic ring. Work 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight to close. Now work 2 single crochets into each single crochet from the previous round. Be sure to mark the first stitch of each round with a stitch marker so you don't lose your place. You'll have a total of 12 single crochets for this round. For the next round, we will begin with 2 single crochets in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. You will then repeat this all the way around. At the end of this round, you will have 18 stitches. For the next round, we will work 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way around. You will do the same for the next round, working 1 single crochet into each stitch. For the next round, we will begin with a single crochet 2 together. I recommend using the invisible decrease method. Next, you will work 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this all the way around. You will have a total of 12 stitches for this round. For the next round, you will single crochet 2 together all the way around. Cut your yarn and fasten off. Generously stuff your work with polyfill. Use a tapestry needle to weave your yarn through each stitch from the previous round. Pull your yarn tight to close and fasten off. Then weave in your end. You've completed the bunny's head. Now on to the ears. You'll begin with a magic ring. Chain 2 and work 4 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Pull your yarn tight to close the ring, but do not join. Chain 2 and turn your work. Double crochet 2 stitches together twice. You'll now have 2 stitches. Chain 2 and turn your work. Work 1 double crochet in each stitch. Cut your yarn and fasten off. You'll repeat these steps for the second ear. You'll begin with a magic ring. Chain 2 and work 4 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Pull your yarn tight to close the ring, but do not join. Chain 2 and turn your work. Double crochet 2 stitches together twice. You'll now have 2 stitches. Chain 2 and turn your work. Work 1 double crochet in each stitch. Cut your yarn and fasten off. The ears have a natural curve. For one ear, turn it over and push the inside back so that the curve is facing the other way. Weave in your ends for the ears. Be sure to leave a strand of yarn to attach your ears to the head. I like to weave the yarn from the top of the ear down to the bottom and use it to sew. Attach the ears side by side between rounds 1 and 2 of the head. Be sure that the points on your ears are facing outwards. Be sure that the ears are secure. tie off and weave in your ends. Repeat these steps for the next ear. When attaching the second ear, be sure that the point is facing outward. Now that the ears are attached, you could leave your bunny like this, or you could add felt eyes. You can attach the eyes by sewing, using hot glue, or using fabric glue. For this tutorial, I am using hot glue. Attach the eyes at round 3 of the head. These felt eyes are available in my Etsy shop. These bunny minis are a great addition to Easter baskets and sell really well at craft fairs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this pattern tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more pattern videos. For more crochet patterns and tutorials, visit my blog at thenicolechase.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Ravelry.